hello. Wait, where they go, sef?
My able gym instructor.
Sir, I hope you started morning laps.
Jogging?
Yes, sir.
You're asking me if I am jogging?
Exactly.
Even as I am jogging.
Oh, wow.
Look, listen, can't you see the way I am panting? Yes!
That's nice. Okay.
Yes. Instructor, I will call you back.
All right, sir.
What is this?
Get up. Come down, guy.
What is the meaning of this?
That's me. Come down. Ask question. Which question be that? Excuse me, sir. No. My FDI agent. They talk to you. Respect yourself and get down.
No, wait a minute. Come down for what?
Come down, guy.
Tell me what my offense is.
No. Don't stress yourself. What? Ready to fire.
Are you threatening me with your gun?
What? Hey, hold it. Hold it there. What's going on there? No. Nothing.
Brother, son. Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
No, don't thank me. Why are you thanking me? So I buy biscuit for you. Which one is thank you? Alright, well done. Let me introduce myself. My name is Captain Shaggi, FDI agent, all the way from London, United Kingdom.
What is FDI?
Yo, you want to know what FDI is? No problem. We'll explain to you. FDI is Federal Disturbance Intelligence.
Go best squad.
Disturbance?
Yes.
What do you mean by this?
Yeah, disturbance, as the name implied. When we say disturbance, what is disturbance? It can be defined into two. One is an adjectival phrase and one is a word. One is a noun of pronominal verb. The adjectival verb of disturbance is that we will disturb you. By the time we try to do something and you think you have coconut head, that your medulla oblongata is not functioning. Because now they tell you to call that I can hear. You know I had not said anything.
But when you say you want to disturb me, over what? What is my offense?
Your offense is plenty. My bad. Sorry that I shout. Normally we are not saying to shout for people because as this officer of the law, as we are like this, we are saying to kill our sight. You understand? So
kill our sight?
Yes, we kill our sight. So please respectfully calm down so that we won't fight.
I am not ready to calm down until you tell me my offense.
You are not ready to calm down?
Yes.
Alright, no problem. You won't calm down, Abi. Let me explain it better in case you don't understand. This force, as you see, this officer that you see, you can see that we wear tie. It's a 9 to 5, 24/7 hours. That's our job. This force is formulated by the Queen of England herself in 1905 during the amalgamation before the Civil War. You understand? They form us because of 9/11. It's we. In case you don't know, check my face. Go to Google and say, "Is it that kill Osama bin Laden?" Yeah! In case you know, so sir, please calm down. Calm down.
Coming down, you have not given me my offense.
No problem. I'm speaking English. You know I'm talking to you in a respectful way. Calm down, sir.
Let me know what my offense is.
Hey, sir, calm down one. Calm down two. Calm down three. I'm sorry, below. This man have coconut head. Shoot it, fucking them.
Wait. What nonsense is this? Eh?
Bring it down.
Stop threatening me with your gun.
We will threaten you with our guns.
What nonsense are you saying?
We will threaten you because you are not obeying the law.
Which law?
Law of the land.
Which land?
Land of the living.
What, is that why you didn't blush your mouth?
I will kill you with my mouth. Nonsense. You have not seen anything.
What nonsense is that?
Officer was collect the khaki.
You dare not.
I go slap you. See. Why they shoot gun for up?
Make you no say bullet. I fit kill am many times.
Hey, but which kind of person? Wetin dey do you say? You no know how to shoot gun for up now. You no know whether angel dey pass.
Wait a minute.
Angel, there will be war between the.
Wait a minute. You think you can scare me with that? Do you know who you are talking to?
Who are we talking to?
I am General Marcos Idi Amin. Do you know how many war fronts I have been to? Do you know? You are threatening me with this nonsense in your hand?
Listen, young man, we have respect you enough. I don't care if you're a general or you're a general hospital.
I say.
The only general I know is the general overseer of Redeemed Church, Reverend E.A. Enoch Adeboye.
Can you hear yourself? You don't even know anything. Adeboye is not a reverend but a pastor.
I don't care.
Is that clear?
I don't care as long as he's a man of God. I don't care. You want to prove that you are stubborn. That you are a stubborn goat. No problem.
tell me that
Pastor,
bullshit.
brother, pray attention.
Hey!
Pray attention.
Hey!
Collect the card. To slap a FDI agent. Hey, we are done for.
Boys, come over. Monitor! Go down, Sophie.
Stand up.
Kneel down.
Hey, I said stand up.
I say kneel down.
I say stand up.
I say.
Is everything okay?
Nothing is okay here. You know what? Tell them to identify who they are.
Young man.
Hey, listen, hold it. Let me introduce myself in case you don't know me. My name is Captain Shaggi, FDI agent from the United Kingdom, England, Manchester to be precise. We are a group that is formed to kill our sites. Okay? Now I will call Lieutenant Suberu all the way from London. He's the one that guides the Queen of England from any trouble coming. What shall you are done for? By the time I call you, you see a helicopter flying.
Look, listen.
They will pick you up.
I am giving you only 1 second.
I am giving you only half seconds to listen. You don't know who you are dealing
Balance
with.
is not sufficient to make this call.
Sorry, my credit are finished. Give me your intercom.
You don't even have credit.
Yes, because I call a lot of people. Yes! You don't know who. You will see meme. Then put your speaker so yeah.
Hello, Shaggy, where you there?
Yes, hello, Lieutenant Suberu. That is Officer Shaggi. Sorry, Captain Shaggi follow you to talk. How are you?
Landlord don't hold me here as ransom. Say me come pay your rent. They is shy. They come back house.
You
Oh.
have not even paid for your rent.
Hey!
Collect their gun.
Collect your weapons.
Give me your gun.
You are dead today. What did I say?
You are dead today.
You are dead today.
Yeah, you are dead today.
Gym instructor.
Hope you're still jogging, sir.
Yes, I am jogging. Oh. Yes! Can't you hear the ambience? Can't you hear cars on it?
You said,
On.
okay, I can hear it now.
Yes. I will call you
All
back.
right, continue, sir. Continue.
Will you shut up? Am I in a joint like that? You are stupid. You know what?
Sir.
I want them to carry me and put me on this car.
Yes, sir.
Okay? And start pushing the car to the barracks.
Sir, let's not go. It's not working.
It's working. It's a punishment. Before they start explaining where they got ammunition.
I don't like
Now! Carry me.
Now carry.
Put me here. Put me here.
Gently.
I slap you. Gently.
You see? You are handling me. Now they have to push this car to the barracks. Immediately.
I say move. Yes, sir.
Oh, take me to the barracks.
Put the car.
Okay, now you will do now. You go kill yourself or not, you. Now you will do. Maybe I put the car for neutral.
Shut up.
What is holding them?
That is
Federal Disturbance Intelligence. My 40 years in the military service. I have never heard of that. And he has the effrontery. Push the car, my friend.
Look at you. Nonsense. Why push the car, my friend? What is that? If I better push the car. I will push harder. I said push harder. Push harder. I said push harder. What's wrong with you? Sir!
What is that?
They have escaped, sir.
Escape?
Yes, sir.
You said what?
They have escaped, sir.
Escape? And you didn't escape with them? Now listen. The two of you must follow them. Follow them right away. Make sure you bring them back to the barrack. Go after them.
Yes, sir.
Bring them to the barrack, dead or alive. Yes. Yes. Gym instructor.
Oh, I called back for a little more motivation,
No,
sir.
stop it.
Sir?
Stop telling me to jog. I'm not ready to jog again. What I am doing is even more strenuous than jogging. Yes. You two go and jog somewhere. Leave me alone.
Shaggi, you too mumu, you too mumu.